Let me show you. If you are facing white grid icons on your iPhone, here's how you can fix. First, tap and hold the empty space. Then tap on Edit. Then tap Customize. And switch the app icons to bigger. And instantly, it will fix your issue. If this is not working, try to update your software. For this, go to Settings, scroll down and tap on General. Then tap Software Update. And make sure that your software is up to date. The last method is to restart your iPhone. For this, press Volume Up, then Volume Down, and press and hold the power button until you see the Apple logo. Once it restarts, it will solve your problem. That's it. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.